But I don't know if you noticed, but for I've been doing this for the past couple months. I've been streaming and I've been playing Kingdom Hearts 2 on stream, and no one seems to care. So I'm probably just going to. I was thinking of just scrapping it, but I want to give you one last chance. If you, for whatever reason, do care about it, and if for somehow, and if you do actually watch it, and I don't know, but I just started doing it because I wanted to have like something besides just me and a camera. Even though I'm not a very good commentator, I didn't. It's a little different. I mean, I wanted to have something. I wanted to have something like gaming related because I really wanted to do something that was related to games. Since my name is Hyrule Hedgehog, I don't have the it's just something coming down the driveway. It's late, and I'm thinking of just scrapping Let's Play Kingdom Hearts 2. But if you don't want me to do that, and if you do maybe want to try and come to these streams, even though it's gonna be like late at night, so not being people are gonna watch it, but I still have it. And you can watch it like from the channel. I'm just giving you an option before I say fuck it. If no one responds, if no one watches this by like give it a day or two. I'll give it a day or two. If no one responds, unless you're not. I'm recording.
Recording what?
I'm recording a video on YouTube.
What's the video about?
It's just an update video.
Update about what?
An update about me streaming. Since no one watches them, and I just. Huh? Okay.
What, you're stopping the thing?
I'm giving whatever people that do watch me a chance, just in case.
A chance to do what? To watch you stream?
If they want me to continue doing it for whatever reason.
Are you gonna edit that, or are you gonna post that as is?
I'm gonna post it as is, okay?
Should probably edit it.
Yeah, I should probably edit it. Yeah. So, that's your chance. If I don't get a response in like next day or two, then I'll just stop streaming. Probably not a day or two. I don't know, maybe a little longer. And we'll see. I've been on Watchdog, and I'll see you